This is the original 3.5 litre V8 engine that came out of my Rover V8. It gave years of troublesome service, constantly breaking down, slipping timing. It went through a phase every time I turned the engine off. Next time I turned the car on again, I had to retime the distributor. I carried a 9/16 socket on an extension bar everywhere I went in the car. It was that regular. Eventually, we figured out it was this timing gear that was knackered. These gears, they will wear out and it loses timing really badly. And so we pulled the engine out and was going to put a new camshaft in there, new timing gear, give it a good clean up. But taking it apart, lots of things didn't really come undone easily. It gave me a bad feeling about everything in general, really. So that's when I bought this. It was a complete 4.6 litre Rover V8 out of a P38 Range Rover, late 90s, so a GEMS engine with fuel injection. That also didn't want to come apart happily, so that's when I got involved with a company called Motortech Engineering in South London. They came round and, using their special techniques, got a lot of the bolts that wouldn't come undone and took the heads off for me. And we decided to fully strip the engine to get more of a look at it. We decided to hone the bores. And importantly, pressure tested and skimmed the heads to make sure I was going to get a good seal and good compression when it was all done.
Let's see if it rings. I've never check one of these because they don't break. Sounds good to me. Right, let's get it in the machine. So we have here. And because it's a wide big end, we need to do it in two cuts. So we'll start on one side. Clean up. Here we go. Down to -8 instead of 10. We measure it with the micrometer and see what we've got left. So let's see what we've got. Now far more. Right, so we've got to take it out.